Dear student, welcome back to our zoology class. Today we discuss about non-Mendelian inheritance. So which are the non-Mendelian inheritance? Incomplete dominance, codominance, multiple allelism, polygenic inheritance, pleiotropy. First we discuss incomplete dominance. It is the inheritance in which the offspring shows intermediate character. Example, flower color in snapdragon or dog flower or Antirrhinum species. Snapdragon or dog flower or Antirrhinum species. And another example, Mirabilis, Jalapa or 4 o'clock plant. Here, cross between homozygous red and white produce intermediate character, that is pink color. Now discuss in the cross. First, the red color flower is the first parent and cross with the white colored flower, and it produces two gametes, capital R and small r, when it is hybrid to produce pink color. Now what is the next step? When F1 self-pollinate or selfing, it produce two gametes. Then after hybridization, it produces 4 type of plants or 4 progenies. Which are the 4 progenies in F2 generation? First one is red color flower, then 2 pink, then white is only 1. Now what is the phenotypic ratio of incomplete dominance? Phenotypic ratio 1:2:1. 1 red, 2 pink, then 1 white color. What is the genotypic ratio? 1:2:1. 1 capital R, 2 capital R small r, then 1 small r. Phenotypic and genotypic ratio are same, and here means that capital R, this one, was not completely over the small r. Okay, next, codominance. What is codominance? It is the inheritance in which both alleles, not the point, both alleles of a gene expressed in a hybrid. Example, ABO blood group in human being. Okay, discuss this codominance in detail. ABO blood group are controlled by the gene I. So which are the different forms of alleles of this gene? Alleles IA, IB, then small I. So what is the role of this gene I, which control the production of sugar polymer and that protrude from the surface of the plasma membrane of the RBC. So once again, here we discuss about the codominance. Example, ABO blood group, here which are represented by I gene, which control I gene, and this gene I control the production of sugar polymer that protrude from the plasma membrane of the RBC. See, which are the different forms of alleles of a gene I, IA, IB, small recessive allele. What is the speciality? IA and IB produce slightly different forms of the sugar. But what is the last case? Small I does not produce any sugar. Okay, next, what are the results of? Here, 4 blood groups are formed. A group, B group, AB group, O group. So A group is a phenotype which is controlled by the genes IA, capital IA, or IA small I. Then B is formed in human being, or B blood group is formed in human being when the alleles combine IB or IB small I. So now the genotype IAIB, which represent AB blood group, then last one recessive allele produces O group. Okay, here are the representation of all phenotype by the combination of two alleles. A group, A groups are formed by example IAIA constitute A group, then IA small I produces capital A, IB represented small B group, then IB small I represented B group. Then what is the specialty of next? In a hybrid, both alleles expressed together. IB produces AB blood group. What is the recessive condition which produces O group? So this is an example for codominance. Okay, what is next? Multiple allelism. Multiple allelism, it means more than two alleles of a gene which control same character. Example, ABO blood group in human being, which means capital IA, capital IB, small I are the three alleles which constitute or control blood group. Three alleles of a gene which govern or control one character, that is blood group. Okay, next, polygenic inheritance. Okay, next one is polygenic inheritance. It is the inheritance in which some traits are controlled by several genes or multiple genes. Example, human skin color, human height. So which are the alleles? Now discuss. Assume three genes ABC control human skin color. Example, dominant form of A, B and C, that gene is responsible for dark skin. Then recessive forms small a, small b, small c for light skin. So what may be the result of this cross? Genotype with all dominant alleles. Look here, capital A, capital B, capital C, capital C given dark skin color. Genotype with all recessive alleles small a, B, small b, small c, which give lightest skin color. Genotype with three dominant, three recessive alleles determine the intermediate skin, that is A small a, B small b, then capital C small c. Okay, this is the polygenic inheritance. Okay, last one is pleiotropy. What is pleiotropy? Its definition: single gene exhibit multiple phenotypic expression. Once again, single gene exhibit multiple phenotypic expression. So we called it as pleiotropic genes. Most of the cases which effects of a gene on metabolic pathways. Here are some examples: starch synthesis in pea plant, phenylketonuria, sickle cell anemia. Okay, listen here. One example: starch synthesis in pea plant. Starch is synthesized effectively by capital B gene. Therefore, large sized seeds are produced. But in the next case, homozygous recessive, that has lesser efficiency to starch synthesis. So what may be the result? Small sized seeds are formed. Now the gametes, capital B, here small b. It produces the next generation, that is capital B, small b. So starch this F1 progeny or offspring in shows or exhibit intermediate sized seeds. So this is incomplete dominance. Okay, my dear children, this is about our today's topic. We covered what is incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance is the inheritance in which offspring shows intermediate character between two parental characteristics. Then example, snapdragon, Antirrhina species, or dog flower, and 4 o'clock plant. Codominance means it shows intermediate, hybrid shows intermediate, not intermediate character, but both alleles expressed together. Example, ABO blood group in human being. So what is multiple allelism? Multiple allelism means more than one alleles which governs only one character. Example, ABO blood group in human beings which represented IA, small I, IB and recessive I, which all these three alleles produces one character. Then what is polygenic interaction? It is the interaction of more than one genes which express or governs one character. Example, human skin color, human height. Pleiotropy means one gene which control different phenotypic expressions. Example, star synthesis, phenylketonuria, sickle cell anemia, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.